Snapchat's fun filters and ephemeral messages have won over many users. As its popularity grows, people often face a dilemma when asked for a phone number during sign-up. What if you could use Snapchat without giving out your personal number? Welcome to a video for privacy-conscious users, showing you how to create a Snapchat without phone number account. In the digital age, concerns about online privacy arise due to potential issues such as unwanted spam, privacy breaches, and the need for multiple accounts, making it advantageous to avoid using a personal number for an added layer of security and control over your digital presence, especially on platforms like Snapchat. Choose MobileSMS.io as your trusted partner for enhancing online privacy, offering real SIM card numbers for Snapchat verification, prioritizing privacy, and providing tailored solutions to meet your specific needs, whether it's a one-time number or a longer rental. Let me walk you through the Snapchat sign-up process. In this video, we will start by going to Snapchat.com. Start by filling out the sign-up form and click Sign Up and Accept when done. After submitting, you will be asked to verify your email. Let's go to the mobile app of Snapchat. To complete your profile and secure your Snapchat account, we will add a mobile number. Go to your profile and then tap Mobile Number. Now, let us go to MobileSMS.io to get a number. We will use a short-term number for Snapchat and choose United States as the country. Go back to Snapchat and type in your MobileSMS.io mobile number. Snapchat will send a verification code to your MobileSMS.io number. Go back to MobileSMS.io, your verification code will be shown on the dashboard. Use it to complete your sign-up at Snapchat. There you have it. You have now successfully created your Snapchat account without using your own phone number. MobileSMS.io prioritizes user security, ensuring that using a temporary number is safe and that Snapchat's detection of such numbers is minimal due to the use of real SIM card-based numbers. While Snapchat permits number changes, it's advisable to review their policy to prevent any potential issues. With the right guide and tools, exploring the realm of Snapchat without a phone number is a simple task. MobileSMS.io offers a premium and secure pathway to enhance your Snapchat experience. In an era where data holds immense value, safeguard yours as the precious asset it is. Embark on your Snapchat journey with confidence in your privacy and peace of mind.